So I keep running into a mystery problem with this SVO. Actually out here with, I was letting Gearhead 704, Matt, actually drive the SVO in the daytime so you could check it out, and we end up getting stuck. And it's almost like just for no reason at all, I lose spark in the car. And we are running a Pimpx ECU, and it's just something that seems odd. It seems like, you know, there's no spark and it won't fire. And this has happened to me about 3 times. And the first time, you guys got part of my mess here too. I got buffing compound literally everywhere. I gotta wash it all out. But the first time I thought it was this. So this kept popping off. The second time I thought it was my spout connector, which kept coming apart. So I fixed that. And so now this has happened yet another time and I'm stuck. So my wife Lisa is on the way to jump start us because we cranked it so much that the battery's dead. So if you got any ideas what could be going on, I feel like the Mega Squirt or the Pimpx is going in some sort of protection mode maybe. It's a theory where it just shuts off and won't spark the engine. From sitting here, the temperature did go up.
Yep.
So we're reading like 213 on coolant, which it's not overheating, but that's the only thing I can see from a sensor perspective of where we're at with this. So if you guys got any ideas, let me know. But we're sitting here stuck and we're gonna be jump started here in a few minutes by my wife.